what that does is it locks those wheels to where there's no forward and backward travel. Putting chocks in, they can get loose with the movement and everything like that inside the trailer. These should stay where they're at. They come with a wrench. Get 2 of them. And they're called X-Chocks. Alright, I'm gonna put the other one on the other side, and I'll get back with y'all here in a minute. Okay, so I just thought I'd share this with y'all in case any of you have a travel trailer and maybe you've been looking at these things and just wasn't sure about them. We put these X-Locks on there, on the tires, and you saw it was pretty simple to put them on. You know, it comes with a wrench, it come in a 2-pack, and I got these off Amazon. It was cheaper off Amazon than it was to get them through the RV dealer. So, I had wood chocks in on the tires, but with with moving around and everything like that, those chocks will move and stuff. So we were getting a little more forward and backward, you know, because the tire's moving. And these X-Locks lock those tires down pretty much. I mean, I just got in there and put all of my 142-pound self into wiggling it, shaking it, you know, back and forth as much, and there wasn't any movement forwards and backwards. Now you still got a little bit of movement left and right, and you're gonna have that with a travel trailer. It's just the way it is. But forward and backward, you know, because of the tires moving, there's no more of that. So as far as I'm concerned, these things did their job. And like I said, I've only just put them on just now, but just in me getting in there and jumping around and you know, rocking it and stuff like that, there is no movement. So anyway, I'll show you again right quick what they look like and all that stuff, and this is the price. Peace, I'm out. Y'all be cool.